Today is September the 4th, 9-4, and our title is Puff Cloud W. Okay, we're moving into the W's this week. Okay, so let's go ahead and make sure we have enough space here. Let's divide, if we need to, vertically and horizontally into our book. Up here, 9-4, and we're good to go. So what you're going to start with today is a simple box. Okay, just a rectangular little box. Doesn't have to be dark. Okay, just simple. Okay, so we've got that. Now we need to make the sides for our W, and so how we're going to do that is we're going to just come over a little bit, come down on the left, come down on the right, and we're ready for the next part, which is the middle. So how we're going to do that is we're going to start at this corner, and you're just going to make a triangle. Okay, just like that. And now I'd like you to move up from that and do it again. Okay, so at this point, let's go ahead and erase what we don't need, which is this, 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 and this. And you'll see that now what you have left is a W. Okay, frankly, I don't like that it's this tall, so you don't have to do this, but I'm going to erase it a little bit so I can make it a little bit shorter. Okay, this looks better to me, but it's personal preference. Okay, so I've got this pretty much sketched out lightly how I want it, and you don't have to keep this dark because we're going to go around this. As you know, the puff cloud lettering, you just go around the letter with some curvy lines. So I'm going to start in the corner. I'm just going to make some curvy lines. Some are big, some are small, some of them overlap. Okay, it's just supposed to look like a little cloud. So just go all the way around it. Okay. Change the size of them as you go. Okay, you can space them kind of far apart if you want to do that too. Okay, there's no really best way to do this. Just kind of go with what you want to go with. Okay, so we've got that. Now we need to erase the lines that we don't need because we don't really need to see this inside here. So since you did this darkly on the outside, you can just take like a real quick little erase to it and get rid of that so we don't see it. And if you wind up erasing too much, we can always go back and touch that up. Okay, looks like I'm going to have to do that in a few places, like here. Here. This looks pretty good over here and up top here. Okay, that should do it. So now that you've gotten to this point, all that we have left to do is the shading. So to do this type of shading, you're going to need to turn your pencil on its side so you can do more of a swirly kind of shading. So you're just going to take your pencil and you're just going to move it in a circular motion down the left side. And you're going to start dark and we're going to blend it into light. Okay, so I've went down one pass and I'm going to go down the next time and I'm going to just lighten that up. Okay, so I'm not pushing quite as hard, and I've done that. Okay, the next area I need to do is right here, dark to light. There we go, that's done. And then I've got two more spots below here, dark to light, right in that area. Okay, and then on this side, dark. To light. Okay, and that's it for today. This should be pretty easy for you, so I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure you watch your proportion, okay, that you're trying to make things the same size, that you've got all of your lines or marks that you don't need, you've erased those, and also don't forget to add your blended shading using that textured shading method down the left. So you've got basically 1, 2, 3, 4 spots where you need to have it shaded at.